Welcome to the Loubby AI dashboard. In this walkthrough, we'll explore the location feature, which allows you to create and manage company locations and assign employees to them. To add a new location, go to the Teams page, then open Settings. Here, click on New Location, enter the details, and save. A new location is now added to your company account. To add employees to this location, click the pencil icon Edit option. Select the employee or employees you'd like to assign. Click Save Changes. The location is now successfully updated. To view employees in a specific location, click the eye icon. Here, you can see all employees assigned to that location. If you need to delete a location, click the bin icon. Before deletion, employees in that location must be reassigned. Select the employees, reassign them to another location or department, and click Proceed. Once reassigned, confirm deletion. The location is removed, and employees are transferred successfully. Employees can also be reassigned directly from their profile. Edit the employee's profile, select a different location from the drop-down, or create a new location on the spot. After saving, the employee's profile will reflect the updated location, and it will also appear under the location settings in the Teams page. You can also bulk upload employees into specific locations using an Excel file. For example, if the uploaded file includes Lagos and Demo Location 3, these employees will automatically be placed in the respective locations when onboarding. After upload, you can verify by checking the location settings, where each location displays the assigned employees. And that's the walkthrough of the location feature on Loubby AI. From creating and managing locations, assigning and reassigning employees, to handling bulk uploads. Thank you for watching.